Hello all. In this video we are going to talk about breadboard. The breadboard is this one, which contains lots of rows and columns of dots, holes here. So what is the use of breadboard? Breadboard is a tool that is used to connect multiple components to your Arduino. So in here I have a sensor and an LED which I have connected to the Arduino board through the jumper wires. So what it got in the breadboard? There is a 2-row with positive and negative in both sides, and there is a there is a central part with lots of rows and columns. So this area is called as circuit rows or terminal rows, and these two are called as power rails. So power rails are the long horizontal rows on the breadboard. They serve as a convenient access point for power supply within your circuit. So this gives you the power to your circuit. So this is circuit part, and this is the power part. So from here you can give power to your circuit. So this will be labeled with plus and negative, plus for positive and negative for ground. So positive is for the full power, and voltage, the 5 volt you can connect from your Arduino to this plus, and negative is used for connecting your ground. So when you connect your ground to this blue line, the whole row will have the negative power. And same thing, if you connect your positive to here, so the whole positive will have the 5 volt. So in this case I have connected my red wire 5 volt from the Arduino to the breadboard, and I have connected this white wire from this positive to the to my sensor. So the power is coming from Arduino to this positive row, and from positive row to the sensor it's passing through this white wire. And same here, this black wire is the ground. So the ground is connected here, and if you see this one, this is the ground which is connected from the breadboard to Arduino, and the power of ground is passed from this wire to the sensor. Thanks for watching.